Welcome back, beauties. Thanks for tuning back into my channel. In this video I'll just be showing you how I edit Instagram pictures. For this video I'll be using the Visco app. It's spelled VSCO. So I'm going to click the plus sign, and then I'm going to choose what picture I want to be editing. And then once it's successfully imported, then I'm going to click on the settings down below there to begin editing the photo. Yeah, you just saw that screen because I just took my stylus out. I have the Note 9, by the way. So I clicked on exposure first, and then I'm just going to play around with it to see which numbers I want to go with. -6 is what I decided to go with for the exposure. Then I click on the contrast, and I decided to not go so deep with +6, but right in the middle, so +3. This video is kind of really self-explanatory because you can just see what I'm doing rather than me talking, but I figured I'd talk in this video since I didn't in the last one. So for saturation, I decided to go with +1.3, and then next I went in with the HS, which is highlights and shadows. And for the highlight, I really like this effect. I was fine with either or, doing 12 or 6, but I decided to do +12 with the highlights and keep the shadows on 0. And then I went in with the temperature, or the white balance is what this setting is. And then for the temperature, I set it on, what did I set it on? I set it on +6 and I left the tint on 0. And see how bright it shines? It looks so pretty. And then I went into the skin tone settings and put that on +6. And at that very moment, I decided that I was done editing this photo. See how easy it was, you guys? I hope you guys could just watch this video and follow along with how I did it. So this is the edited version, and then I'll show you the unedited version. This is another photo that I edited with different lighting. But so here we are, the edited and unedited version. Which one do you guys think looks the best, the unedited or the edited version? Which one would you post on Instagram if you were me? Because I haven't even posted this selfie on Instagram yet. So let me know in the comments below. Alright, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And also hit the notification bell, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me on my channel. Alright, y'all, ta-ta.